You are listening to the Profitable Content Creator Podcast. This is the place where content creators come to learn how to create profitable content that positions themselves as an authority and grows their online businesses. Get ready to take your content to a whole new level with your host, Kristen Poborski.
Do you ever feel like AI just isn't giving you the right answer? You're not alone. Most people totally miss how to actually use it. The big myth, that it's supposed to give you the perfect answer right out of the gate. Nope, that's not how this works. And honestly, it's the fastest way to stay stuck. Here's the truth. AI is your co-creator, a strategic partner, but only if you show up ready to think creatively with it. Otherwise, you're just shouting into the void and expecting a genius to echo back at you. I'm Kristen Poborski, and I've been working hands-on building and testing AI agents that help people scale their content faster. And I'll tell you this, the most common reason people struggle, they treat AI like a vending machine, not a conversation. And in this video, I'm going to flip your thinking and walk you through the exact mind shift you need to actually make to get powerful strategic results from AI tools. Let's go. Most users expect the AI, the first response, to be the answer. I saw that this week when working with someone side by side, testing some AI prompts. But that's not how great results happen. Because like a lot of people, this person expected it to be perfect and do it exactly the way that she thought it should. So what I want you to think about instead is, next you get a response, I want you to think, if you think this, that it's not right, I want you to pause and ask yourself, what part is useful here? What do I need to clarify or push forward? And start having a conversation and ask, what would I say to a real teammate who handed me this? You wouldn't just push it right back to them and saying this is not perfect. You start a dialogue. This tiny mindset shift, seeing responses as drafts, not deliverables, can completely change your output quality and your stress levels. The magic happens after the first answer AI gives you. But how do you actually work with AI so that it's a teammate and not a tool? You want to start thinking about it differently because it's not here to replace you. It's here to work with you, but only if you coach it. Just like a junior team member or an assistant, it needs clear direction, feedback, and iteration. So try this. Instead of saying that's not right, trust me, I've shouted into the void, all caps, that's not right. And that's when you want to think about it differently. Try this instead. Instead of shouting, that's not right, say that's close. And can you add in XYZ and make the tone more casual? That's just an example. And you'll get a better version instantly. I saw this myself because I've been working with Nano Banana, which is a new tool for me. I found myself shouting at it just like I said here. But I did a few tweaks, started out with a much better prompt, and right out of the gate, I've got a much better response. And I started thinking more critically on how I wanted to talk to it. See, the thing is, you are not at the mercy of what any AI tool or platform gives you. You're the one driving the interaction. That shift puts you back in control and turns AI into your superpower. So are you still wondering where your creativity can fit in all of that? Let's talk about that next, because that's still very important. The thing is, people assume AI is supposed to be creative for them. But the truth is, it's your partner in your creativity. When we write content using agents in my business, I never take the first draft and run. I read it, I tweak it, I ask it better follow-up questions, and send it back. That back and forth, that's where the gold happens. AI can help me speed up the creative process, but it doesn't replace my judgment, your judgment either, intuition, or strategy. If you skip that part, your work will fall flat. So you want to peek behind the scenes of how I actually use AI when I build my own agents. When I build agents, not just for myself, but for my clients, we do not expect them to be perfect. In fact, our first tests are always a little rough. That's where we spend most of the time, is in the testing. We test them, we poke holes in them, we talk to them, we ask, what else can you do? Then we improve the prompts, the structure, the voice, all of it. Every round makes it stronger. So the thing is, even at that point, we get it to where we believe it's good enough, but not perfect, because we want to leave room for that creative process. So if the pros don't expect perfection out of the gate, why should you? Working with the AI is how you get next level results, not sitting back and hoping for magic. So let's wrap this up, okay? You've learned that AI is not a magic answer machine. It's a strategic thinking partner for you. You saw how your mindset and curiosity are the real unlocks to getting better output from whether or not it's a single prompt or an AI assistant or a chatbot. And now you know how we actually build these tools behind the scenes with iteration, feedback, and human creativity at the center. Not for perfection. We leave that for the individual user when they are using, whether it's a prompt, an agent, or a chatbot. That's where they get to add in their creativity. And if this and now you know how that all works, because we want to have that creativity at the center of everything. And if this shift helped you think about how working with AI helped you do that, let me know in the comments. What's one change you're going to make in how you use your AI assistants and tools? I really want to know that. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone, and subscribe for more no fluff, real talk content about how you can work smarter using AI.
You've been listening to the Profitable Content Creator Podcast, where content creators go to learn how to take their content creation to the next level. If you love the Profitable Content Creator Podcast, we'd love for you to subscribe, rate, and give us a review on iTunes. Until next time.